Hello, everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use CSV data format for inbound processing without a header. The inbound CSV files without headers are processed using positional mapping, where each column is interpreted based on its order rather than field names. A predefined sequence ensures that data is accurately mapped to the target structure, supporting both flat and hierarchical records. To enable correct processing, the agent file adapter must be configured with the file has no header option, allowing the system to reliably map each value by position during inbound data ingestion. Now, let's start. In our integration, we have an existing inbound interface. This interface is provided as an example and is already linked to the corresponding message type. Furthermore, interfaces without a message type also support CSV file processing without headers, using the same subject-based configuration and positional mapping logic. Then, open the mapping. On the left is the source mapping structure with a two-level hierarchy, where account data is mapped along with its associated contact records. And the right side is the target object. The fields below for account and contact are defined as message type field entries. The account fields represent the source message fields that are mapped to the corresponding target system fields. Before processing, we would like to show you the CSV file format. As you can see, the CSV file does not have a header. Each column value is passed based on its sequence number defined in the mapping. Now perform account node to account node mapping. Then map the name field to name. So when the records are pushed, the data in the first column will be passed into the name field because it follows the sequence defined in the mapping. Then map each field one by one as needed. Continue mapping the contact node to the contact node. We map the first name field first. When the records are pushed, the data will be passed based on the sequence defined in the mapping. And map one by one. Then check the external ID. Click Save button. Next, we will use the agent file to push the data, so go to the agent control board. And the interface has link with adapter already. Click on Adapter tab for view the adapter configuration. Click Edit of adapter name. This adapter setup is ready. Just click to enter a new file name. Enter the file name. And make sure file has no header is checked because the use case involves pushing data using a CSV file without a header. If it is not checked, it is used when the file has a header. We not explain how to create the agent file adapter as there is already a detailed video available for it.
Click Interface tab.
The interface has been linked the adapter ready. Check box of the interface. Then click Interface Processing button. Click Push button. The interface has been executed. Please check the message monitor. The message is still in new status, which means the job is still being processed. When the job completes processing, the message is updated to the green status. Then click to expand the API message to view the business message. The account and contact objects are created. Click on Message Detail. Here you can see the data is passed to the correct fields, as it is processed according to the mapping sequence. Now allows you to view the file and compare it with the data shown in the message. The data in each column will be passed according to the required mapping. Now select on the API message. Then click Open the raw logging payload. The payload is displayed on the data__C line. Then click on Salesforce Account Object to view detail. The account is the parent of the contact. Here, you can verify that the account values in each field are correctly mapped. Click on the contact and verify the data. Now we will show another sample interface with an S-object that is not linked to any message type configuration. Click Open the mapping. The account node has been mapped from the source object to the target object, followed by the mapping of the corresponding fields. The mapping is defined as a two-level hierarchical, where each level is processed based on a specific sequence. Now back to the Agent Control Board.
Click Interface tab.
Here is the interface where the adapter has already been linked. Then, click the checkbox to process the interface. The interface has been executed. Please check the message monitor. The message has been completed, and a new message has been generated. The account and contact are creation. And click on Message Detail. Message details display all data because the CSV is processed in a hierarchical format, covering both account and contact objects. That you can compare data in message to the CSV file. The processing is completed successfully, with the correct parent-child relationship maintained. Click on Account to verify data in Salesforce. The account name, account number, billing city and billing country correctly. The contact fields, first name, last name, and email, populated correctly. The previous example covered the manual process. This section demonstrates processing using a scheduler. We can start by per integration, per interface group,
and per interface.
Now we start with per integration. Set up the time interval. Select with Run Every. And run as minutes. then Save button. Click Start the scheduler. After the scheduler executes, the system will continue processing during the next scheduled run. Now check the message monitor. The job is in progress. Now the processing by the scheduler run has finished successfully. In summary, inbound processing of a CSV file without a header depends entirely on positional mapping, meaning each column is interpreted by its column order, not by a field name. Because the file contains no header row, the system relies on the sequence of field map them to the correct fields. To ensure accurate processing, the agent file adapter must have the option "File has no header" enabled. Thanks you for watching. See you the next video.